Good day. Do you please introduce yourself?
Have a good day, sir. My name is Norilyn Granadozo. I'm 42 years old. I live in Nagilian, Isabela, Philippines. I am a single mother with 3 kids, ages 16, 10, and 8. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. I am the eldest in the family. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have 3 years and 6 months work experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. I taking care of the baby. Their age is 2 and newborn. My main duties are taking care of the babies. I do also housework like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Into my future employer, I can assure you that I can do multitasking activities with honesty, hard work, flexible, and can be trusted. Then I can learn everything easily. Ma'am and sir, I will work with you for a long time. Thank you.